To show you a quick solution to a situation where you got a wind saver sticking in play. I found one. They'll do it for us. It's a wind saver. When you get a note that's behaving like that and you're in a performance or something, just use your larynx glottis. Give it a teeny burst of air to start the note, and it won't do that because it just forces the wind saver up a hair. So versus diaphragm alone. So, and that start to the note is so gentle off the larynx glottis that it's not going to be noticeable as some huge difference in how you play the note. So when you get stuck, that'll help.